Hello, I'm Carolina. I'm a civil engineer with a master's in project management by training, but I'm also passionate about technology, construction, business, and women in STEM. If you're wondering what STEM means, it's an acronym for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Sounds scary? Not really. In this video, we're going to explore Dubai Design Week 2020. Come with me, let's get started. First, let's open the Dubai Design Week mobile app and sign in. Once we're here, there are different areas to consider, like the program, where we find the different activities for the 6 days, from the 9th to the 14th of November. Let's go to Wednesday 11 and select an item. For example, Points in Common. Points in Common is a collection of interactive experiences using a proprietary technology called Cursor, which involves artificial intelligence, computer vision, optics, and a lot of code. Well, this sounds really interesting. This installation is by Studio Irregular, which is a Montreal-based new media studio, and they're developing this Cursor technology to create experiences where groups of people can engage with digital public work and explore all of these exhibitions. Once we mark it as favorite in our agenda, we'll get this notification to select the date and time we're planning to visit the exhibits. So let's select November 11 from 2 to 6 and 6 to 10. This will provide the organizers with enough information to keep us safe and avoid large groups of people visiting at the same time. Next, let's take a look at another exhibits, like for example the Best of Portugal. It seems quite nice. After adding a few more items to our agenda, we are ready to go. Welcome to D3 or Dubai Design District. Here, it's where all the exhibitions are taking place. Let's get started. Remember Points in Common? Well, that's the first exhibition we're going to look for. It's in between buildings 10 and 11, according to the map, so let's use the augmented reality version to start walking towards our exhibition. Look at this nice structure. We're almost there, guys, almost there. Walk a little bit more. Or should I say, watch a little bit more? We are here. Welcome to Points in Common. Enjoy! We've arrived at the stairway, presented by Actual Studios and the Local Dimension, a 3D printed staircase bringing the world's first platform for mass customizable building and interior products. The installation is based on a proprietary XL 3D print technology, which is used in real estate projects worldwide. Let's go inside the exhibition to learn a little bit more. Hello, everyone. I'm here with Deepak. He is the architect of the local dimension. Can you tell us a little bit more about all the 3D printing work in this exhibition?
Okay, so what we do here is we initially develop the design using parametric tools like Grasshopper, and then we are trying to expand the 3D printing into the architectural scale. So we use a 6-axis robot, and we can print up to like 4 into 10, 40 meters square to a height of 4 meters. So as you see around in our exhibition, as she'll show you, we have all the products designed using a biopolymer material, which is linseed oil based, and then our products are completely sustainable compared to other 3D printing materials like PLA. This is more sustainable because we are just using bio-based materials. Parameters we give to the users to control it, so they can decide how much partition they want to be more privately oriented and less privately oriented. For example, if you take a look of this area, you have it more closed and it's more private, but if you look from this side, it becomes more open. So it's like a variation within the same algorithm, and we can 3D print the whole thing using one day. And if you look outside, we have the stairs. And the stairs, how we do it is like we 3D print the formwork, and then we pour the concrete onto it, and we also have reinforcement. So we can absolutely print anything to any scale in one piece or any kind of form. So facade, if we have projection or parametric form, which is usually tough to manufacture using the conventional techniques, we can make a formwork using the 3D technology and 3D printing technology, and just pour the concrete to have the architectural facade. So that's more about, and all our materials, all the 3D printing materials are completely sustainable because it's a polymer based on linseed oil. So this can be reused. Once we make one formwork, we can melt it, and then we can reuse it and have another formwork and have another design coming out of it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Do you want to have dinner here? Is this romantic or what?
My name is Mirko D'Annuzzo. I'm a professor at the IDI, the Dubai Institute of Design Innovation, and you are at the space that we dedicated for Fusion. It's the exhibition of this year at the Design Week, at the Dubai Design Week, and we are exhibiting some project developed last year by our students in their in the foundation year and also in the concentrations year. So you have project from the product design, fashion design, and multimedia and strategic design management concentrations to showcase, let's say, what we are doing in the at the university with and the project that we developed with the students. Developed in the product design studio, and it's an interesting proposal for a device that is actually helping you to kind of control the your sleeping rhythms and constraining you, or let's say, and it's working also with the habits on how you use the phone, the cell phone, and basically it's you have to put the phone in the device to or better, the device is actually making a noise, when it's time to go to sleep, and then you have to insert the phone to let it stop.
Mirko was telling us about other interesting projects like this one, Camouflage, which mixes fashion and technology with laser-cut pieces. The Love Lamp is a project of a lamp that communicates data through the night, and its design was actually made using Fusion from Autodesk. Protect 19 is another project based on prototypes for face masks. These prototypes are currently used by medical professionals in the UAE, so they have a practical application in real life already. Last but not least, let's talk about this project, Constellation of Remembrance, which represents all the passings due to the COVID-19 pandemic. This is a topic that is very close to all of us who've lost family or friends due to this disease. Please take a moment to remember all our loved ones. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe.